Wow, have you ever looked up at Saturn and marveled at its beautiful rings? Those shimmering bands of ice and rock that circle the planet are truly a sight to behold. These rings are composed of countless particles of ice and rock, each one reflecting sunlight and creating a dazzling display. They orbit Saturn like a giant cosmic hula hoop, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that has fascinated astronomers and stargazers for centuries. It's amazing, right? Now imagine this. What if I told you that our Earth might have had rings too? It sounds like science fiction, but it's a possibility that some scientists are seriously considering. It sounds crazy, but some scientists believe it's possible. They have been studying planetary models and ancient data to understand this intriguing idea. They think Earth might have had rings billions of years ago, during a time when our planet was very different from the one we know today. Back then, our planet was a very different place. It was a world of intense volcanic activity, with a surface constantly reshaped by powerful forces. It was a wild and chaotic time, with frequent meteor impacts and massive volcanic eruptions that would have made Earth a very hostile environment. So how could Earth have had rings? What happened to them? Scientists speculate that a massive collision with another celestial body could have created a ring of debris around Earth. Over time, this debris could have coalesced to form a ring system, similar to Saturn's. But eventually, the gravitational forces and other dynamic processes would have caused these rings to dissipate or fall back to Earth. Let's dive in and explore this mind-blowing idea further. Imagine this. Billions of years ago, a Mars-sized object slammed into Earth. Whoa! This wasn't just any collision, it was a planet-changing event. The impact blasted a huge amount of rock and dust into space. Can you picture it? A giant cloud of debris circling our planet. This debris, trapped by Earth's gravity, eventually clumped together into a ring system. This wasn't a smooth process. The ring was probably a messy, dynamic structure. It would have been amazing to see. Think about Saturn's rings. These magnificent rings have fascinated astronomers and stargazers for centuries. They look solid from a distance, right? Almost like a continuous, unbroken band encircling the planet. But they're actually made up of countless particles of ice and rock. These particles vary greatly in size and composition. Some are as small as dust grains, while others are as large as houses. This diversity in size creates the intricate structure we observe. Earth's rings would have been similar. Imagine our planet adorned with such a celestial feature. They were probably made of rock fragments and dust from that massive collision. This collision could have been with a large asteroid or even a protoplanet. Over time, these particles would have spread out. The gravitational forces would have played a crucial role in this process. They formed a thin, flat ring around our planet. This ring would have been a delicate balance of forces, maintaining its shape over millennia. Can you imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a band of light circling the Earth? This band would have been visible from almost anywhere on the planet. It would have been a spectacular sight. The rings would have added a unique beauty to our night sky, a constant reminder of the dynamic processes shaping our solar system. Saturn's rings are mostly made of ice. This is why they're so bright and reflective. Earth's rings, however, would have been different. They would have been made of rock, just like our planet. This means Earth's rings would have been darker and less visible than Saturn's. But don't be fooled, they would have been just as fascinating. Imagine the shadows these rings would have cast on Earth, and the way they would have scattered sunlight. It would have been a completely different world. Section 5. Where did Earth's rings go? If Earth did have rings, where are they now? Over millions of years, the ring particles would have been pulled together by gravity. They clumped together, forming our moon. That's right, the moon might be the leftover remains of Earth's ancient ring system. It's an incredible thought, isn't it? The moon, our constant companion in the night sky, might have once been a ring around our planet. It's a reminder that our solar system is a dynamic and ever-changing place. Section 6. A new look at our planet's past. The idea that Earth might have had rings changes how we think about our planet's history. This concept isn't just a minor detail, it fundamentally alters our understanding of Earth's past. Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing rings like Saturn's, a constant reminder of the dynamic processes that have shaped our world. It tells us that Earth has gone through some pretty dramatic changes over billions of years. From a molten ball of rock to the vibrant, life-sustaining planet we inhabit today, Earth's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. These rings could have influenced everything from climate patterns to the development of life itself. Imagine the early Earth still cooling down from its formation with a giant ring system. These rings might have been composed of debris from collisions with other celestial bodies, creating a spectacular sight in the sky. The cooling process and the presence of rings would have created a unique environment, possibly affecting the planet's surface and atmosphere in ways we are only beginning to understand. It's a far cry from the planet we know and love today. Our modern Earth, with its blue oceans and green continents, is the result of billions of years of transformation. The rings are gone, but their legacy might still be present in the geological and biological records we study. This theory also gives us a new perspective on the moon. The moon, our constant companion in the night sky, might have a more complex history than we previously thought. Its formation is closely tied to the story of Earth's rings. It's not just a celestial neighbor. The moon is a crucial piece of the puzzle in understanding Earth's past. Its surface holds clues to the events that shaped both it and our planet. It's a part of Earth's history, formed from the remnants of a long-gone ring system. The debris that once circled Earth eventually coalesced to form the moon, making it a direct descendant of those ancient rings. This connection deepens our appreciation for the intricate and interconnected history of our planet and its satellite. Section 7. The Mysteries of Earth's History. The possibility of Earth's ancient rings is a reminder that there's still so much we don't know about our planet's past. It's a giant puzzle waiting to be solved. There's still so much to learn. We need to study the Earth, we need to look for clues, and we need to keep asking questions. Just think, there might be evidence of these rings hidden deep within our planet, or maybe there are subtle signs of their existence in the rocks and minerals that make up our world. Section 8. Keep exploring. The idea that Earth might have had rings is a great example of how science is constantly evolving. We're always making new discoveries and challenging our understanding of the universe. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember that Earth might have once had rings just like Saturn. It's a mind-blowing thought that reminds us of the incredible power and beauty of the cosmos. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring.